don't forget to click that like button and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications every time we upload.
You could turn back time.
Oh, that wasn't part of the mission? Oh, fuck. Okay. I just killed those guys. Alright. Oh, yeah. Vic. I need to call him. I need to... No need to fight me. I'm not gonna harm you. I'm not gonna harm you. He made me do this. I love my whips. I'm not a cyber psycho. They started killing me. Damn right, I'm gonna defend myself too. Fucking, I'd save up just to have those projectile launchers. Real life. You up there, buddy? I'm not getting up there. Leave his body. Damn, it was a bitch to get here.
Hello? Hello?
You Farida?
Yes, and we're closed.
I don't care.
Got something might interest you.
I doubt it.
Here you collect trinkets. Unification War era.
Mm-hmm. Come in.
I'm sorry I was unwelcoming. Ever
you
since
ought
a
to
certain
be.
space plane crashed nearby, I've had to be more
New
cautious.
cyberware.
Reed is here?
Good to see you.
Reed, you didn't just tell her it was me? Buddy, you're
Better safe
trolling.
than sorry.
Here to see me?
Things are in flux. Situation's changing fast. I thought we should talk. I'm here about Somi.
What?
I spent hours wrapping my head around this, putting myself in her shoes. I needed to
You can't do
understand
that
what she
because
must
you
have
need
been
a free
going through
mind to think.
to resort to treason.
What? I need to understand what she must have been going through to resort to treason. Buddy, the mayor literally set you and her up.
President.
Yeah, you sure you got your priorities
Trying to
straight?
understand her, really? Or just looking for the key to bringing her in?
No, my aim is to save her. She's trapped. Not just here and now, but going months back. Hell. Actually, years. I blame
So
Myers,
are you.
sore loser. Does her damnedest to avoid it. Songbird, the Black Wall, dirty tricks meant to give her a competitive edge.
Okay.
It's
So why
no
do you
wonder
work with her
Somi doesn't
still?
trust anyone. Except maybe you. A little.
Bet you wish so mean would trust you instead.
Song should trust you, not me. That it?
I can't say I really blame her. I can only blame myself.
But could you have done anything differently?
That is true.
Something. Anything. Instead of giving in and being exiled in Night City, a couple thousand miles away.
So Sombre's gonna go to prison.
There's a prison cell prepped and waiting for her already. Somi knows that full well.
She lives to see tomorrow and every day after. That's what matters.
What?
Myers needs her alive, sure, but forgive and forget the attempt on her life? Never.
Reed, you're okay with that.
Myers might not forgive her, but doesn't mean I can.
You work for Myers, though.
Coming from a federal agent saying you want to get her home doesn't sound so warm and fuzzy.
I will get her home. Exactly how remains to be seen.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Reed.
We break the chain Hanson wrapped around her neck. Then what?
Throw her back
We
into
stow
other
away somewhere
people's
safe.
chains.
Ask some
Like,
questions. Establish some common ground. Once I get the answers I'm looking for, I'll personally help her disappear. From everyone, everywhere, including
I'm
Myers.
wearing my headphones the wrong fucking way. Once I get an answer I'm looking for, I'll personally help disappear from everyone everywhere.
Want to ask her a few questions, huh?
To understand her side. Got an idea already of what I'll hear. System broke her. Almost took her life. Like it did mine.
I don't trust Reed one
As
bit.
for me, well, my time's well past. But Somi's still worth saving.
Fuck it. You know what? I believe you.
Say I believe you. Where's your plan go from there?
No, I'm over here, buddy. Not over there.
I got contacts in Europe. We'll find the best clinic, put you two back together, fix what's broken. Once we have your cure in hand. But I need to help Somi first. She's lost, and I'm concerned she doesn't know what she's doing.
You don't trust her?
What I don't trust is the shit from beyond the black wall and the attendant paranoia. Both in play here, I'm afraid. She has another plan in mind. I'm damn sure of it.
She told me her plan intends to escape, but what's this all mean?
Read you loud and clear. So what's it all mean next?
I have something for you. Our best minds in D.C. cooked it up.
Oh, I'm not helping anybody
Icebreaker.
in Washington,
Silver
D.C.
bullet against any fortified netrunner. Farida will feed it into your system during surgery.
Use that, and Somi will drop unconscious within a minute.
Do you
We
hear
can't take
that?
any chances. And when she wakes up, she'll wake up at
Somebody's
home.
gonna get dropped unconscious and she'll wake up at home. No, you're a dog. That's actually legitimately wrong.
No, she'll wake up in the cell.
Yes, I know.
You sure this soft will work? Doubt it's been tested on anyone at Songbird's level.
From what they tell me, this program can anticipate what she'll do
The
before
worst
she
part
even
is
thinks to do it.
that
By the time you cut one thread,
Never
it's
mind.
already found another. A precision-guided weapon designed to evade countermeasures.
Are you sure about that? This is supposed to be our top hacker here, and this one little device here is gonna stop her? Song could sense it, though.
She could sense the breaker. Not talking about some run-of-the-mill runner here.
It's meta-heuristic hyper-aggressive tech, cobbled together by a literal army of experts. If she does sense it, it won't matter. No one out there, alone, could withstand something like this.
How's it work?
Okay.
she's
How
not
do I
alone.
use it?
She's got the entire fucking, like, black wall full of AIs.
That is true.
Fire it up when you're both jacked into the mainframe. At that moment, Somi's door will be wide open.
You're gonna fry us both with this shit.
This'll turn to shit.
Who says it has to?
Don't know, man. But say you do corner her. Expect the unexpected, if you know what I mean.
There comes a time when all expectations are null and void. Right now, we're focusing on saving your lives. Talking time will come later.
You're not focused on saving our
This
lives
time I
at
was on my
all,
way.
buddy. I see your objective
I
right
leave
here.
you in Farida's able hands. Call me once you're done here.
The sooner we begin, the sooner we finish.
Yeah, lady, you're not...
I need to do anything, or...
Lady, you're
20
not touching
questions
me.
first?
I need...
Should I hold
Vic.
your hand? No. Do nothing. Tush, meet chair. Okay. Anesthesia incoming.
You're a
Don't worry,
prick.
it's the good stuff. Relax and submit. An ID
What?
modding implant is complicated tech. true,
Relax and
But the
submit.
procedure is surprisingly simple.
There you go.
Why run a clinic in Dogtown, of all places?
The rents are low, and I siphon as much electricity as I need.
Can't tell if you're being serious.
Start your own biz in Night City proper. Then come see me in a month. We'll compare accounts. Okay. Anesthesia's taking hold.
Lady, I don't have to worry about my bank account. You do. You just knocked me the fuck unconscious.
No, she didn't. She's peeling your face off.
Why? Is she putting that like hardware chip and shit in there? Oh, I'm flatlining.
No. It's for something else. It's a piece of cyberware.
Okay, yeah, it's a face.
She's putting the
thing.
data off the chip in there too.
Why we didn't have Vic work on us, brother, is beyond
How many
me.
fingers am I holding up?
One, Johnny.
Nice to see you in good form.
Mm-hmm. You want something from me?
No.
Chat. Got no other options. You'll have to do.
So tell me, what's it feel like to be a traitor?
Doing. I got a choice.
Come on. You know this is a lose-lose clusterfuck of a sitch. I ain't here by choice.
At least you see that. Means they haven't turned you yet. Not completely. Come on, got iron in your hand. Gotta put it to someone's head. Pull the trigger.
What are you talking about, Johnny?
The master spy and the agent unloosed. Tragedy, comedy, or both.
The
Think one of
master
them's
spy
trying
and
to
the
dupe me?
agent unleashed.
No, they're both telling the truth. I mean, might be muddy on the nitty-gritty, but their motivations are plain and clear. Survival. It's her be-all and end-all. That and she's a walking, talking nuke. The kind that keeps making mistakes, never knowing which one's gonna set her off. And Reed? Bastard and me are one and the same. If I hadn't ghosted the army, I'd have become a Reed myself. Live and die by our principles. That's the tragedy, V. Someone's gonna play victim to the other's good intentions. Try not to forget that when you're standing over that fucking overgrown neuro drive.
Is he just sitting on your lap right now? Or is he just straddling you?
He's just like sitting on the chair, like he's got one foot up. What would you do if you were me, Johnny? Like for real?
Reed or Songbird? What would you do in my shoes, Johnny?
I am in your shoes, dumbass. For every gonk choice
Thank
you
you.
make. But I can't do dick. But honest to God, V, not fucking around? I don't know. Got no goddamn clue.
All done. The facial morph implant is online. Now all you need is a behavioral imprint. And do me a favor. Don't tell me what you need this for.
You will never see me again. I wish I couldn't say anything.
Thanks for
to you.
everything.
Uh-huh. Right.
You got like a mirror or something? I want to see if you didn't, you know, if you fucked my face up. This would be like a place where you should have a mirror. Don't worry, I have a mirror. You didn't fuck it up. I've seen that face before. Wait, brother, look, I can change my face.
Yeah. It doesn't change it. It only changes it when you have a data chip to change it to. It doesn't show you. It completely erases your face.
You've come to the right place. NCPD.
Like, so you look like, I don't know if you, well, you probably don't. But it just makes it to where you have like no eyes, no mouth, no facial hair or anything. And, like, it makes your face completely like unrecognizable.
Oh. So if I put this on when like the police are after me, they won't see me. I see.
Yeah.
Or when other people are after me. Oh.
It's got a big cooldown though. Big fucking cooldown. I don't know if you saw that.
Yeah, no, that thing was like 1,000 something.
Dogtown.
It's 1,500 seconds, I think.
Oh, hold on, Judy. Hey V, I wanted to thank you again, you know, for helping me with clouds. Don't want to think about what could happen if you hadn't been there. Anywho, I think I got something that might help us. Can't go into deets yet, but I'll holler at you in a couple days. And have a fabulous day. Aw, thank you. Sat for a spell on the water.
I think that's a bugged dialogue, by the way. I think that dialogue is only supposed to play after you go to clouds when you like keep what's his name alive, and then you go kill him afterwards. I think she's supposed to send that message only like then, like when you kill Woodman, like when Maiko like tells you where he is.
Oh,
I think it's bugged because I don't think it's supposed to send that one afterwards. Because like what seriously could have happened, like other than like her getting kicked out by the guards of clouds? Like, you know what I'm saying?
That sat for a spell on the water tower yesterday. You
Yeah,
one.
but
Stop
like,
thinking about last
never mind.
time us up there. That view.
Brother.
Never thought I was the puppy. But here we are. Good times. Hey, this is part of the DLC, brother. I've never seen this shit before, so if you're gonna climb,
Dr. Freaky.
good times. No, wait, the best times. I wouldn't say the best times.
Brother, you should have told that. You should have told that brother. Just do me a trip and don't fall, or just tell him give me a trip and jump, or do me a favor and jump.
Do me a favor and jump. I'm glad you feel the same. I've been married in this city for so long now. It feels like with you, I'm finally dug my way out. Filled my lungs with fresh air for the first time. Does that make sense? It's such a strange, new, wonderful feeling I can't even describe. So you think?
Carefree. Waiting for the reaction.
So sounds my band with my wishes and no wishing well. Say you ever think about your roots, where you come from, where you're going, and all that? Just thinking how my parents didn't, and now I know so little about my ancestors. I tried to contact with other people of the Pomo tribe here in NC, but they're either all gone or they're like me and Josh, lost and detached. Heard there's strong community in North Cal, but I don't know, maybe someday. My roots have always been here, brother. Yeah, well, dwell on what's not
I'm talking burn the whole tree down.
It's about where you choose to put down your own roots and who to build a life around. Thank you, me, River. We're all
I'm talking, I
one
would burn
now.
that whole tree.
That's you and me, River. We're one
root.
tribe now. Devil damn it, V, I love you. Still can't believe the lucky bastard I am to have you. Yeah, I don't know about that, buddy. Well, V, it's game time. Everything on the line, but I'm with you all the way, K. Not going anywhere. I know everything's gonna work out. And don't worry, I'm not gonna sell you out to Reed. I don't like Reed. I like you more than Reed.
What? Reed's chill. He's a good guy, just stupidly loyal.
Yeah, he's
No,
being
he's
used by the
loyal to
government.
Songbird. He truly believes that the government is going to let her live, and they're going to let her have a peaceful life after she's it's all said and done. He's just so gullible.
Like, brother is talking to the woman that got him killed, trying to save her. Like, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, she didn't want to do that, but that's what she did. Right,
But that's like his whole thing. He's already forgiven her for that, and he's already fully believes in her again. Because he's just very gullible.
He's a fucking bot. Don't overanalyze. Don't hesitate. You only get inside your own head, so you only get inside your own head. See you soon. Alright. Get these fucking bots out of my way.
Sound fair to you? I thought so. Good.
Alright, call Reed.
Hey, procedures
I've
are
been
up.
blowing Reed's line up recently.
Hope you're not feeling too raw post Farida's work. It's time to intercept and supplant the netrunners.
Raw post?
Just one hiccup. Our access to Karen Exotics was cut. They must have discovered us.
Wait, seriously? So we lost them?
Not entirely. We know they were last in city center, headed our direction. Find a vantage point near the entrance of Dogtown. You'll grab a trace on the runners as they drive to the meeting.
I don't like this one bit. Oh, how perfect. I'm right in the area I need to be. That's just good luck. I've never played this DLC, so that is just actually just pure luck. Hey, sit up on the roof.
What's pure luck?
I was just in the right area, and I didn't even know it.
Okay, now
I just have a good sense of direction, brother.
Scan the vehicles in your area. One's bound to be them.
I gotta scan vehicles? Oh my lord.
Clean so far. See a convoy. Hansen's goons. Doubt the runners would have a security escort, though. I'll keep watching.
I feel like Deadpool, brother.
The stadium, most likely.
And I could just
I was
fall
thinking
off.
Batman.
I could fall off the building. Deadpool is more.
I was thinking
kick-ass.
Batman.
Still nothing.
But yeah,
Batman?
Yes. Am I?
Well, you're just wrong. But I respect your opinion.
No visual on our targets.
What the fuck? Like,
Deadpool is funnier.
Got
I'll
a
give you
total
that.
Cortez blocking the road. Traffic's piling up. First
those
basic.
fuckers didn't know how to
None of them
drive.
all. Definitely not them.
And we keep looking.
Oh fuck, that's probably them.
Couple of bikers.
Oh fuck.
Don't expect they'd
I
swap
thought
out
she was
four
a
wheels
freak.
for two last minute.
Nah, not this style. On to the next.
Well, yes, but no.
There they are. No question.
This?
Both runners are inside. Got the signal?
Got it. Not gonna slip off our radar anymore. Good work.
Oh, get up. I better follow them, shouldn't I?
Still early for the meet with Hansen. They'll stop, kill time somewhere.
Alright, well tell me where to
they're
go.
Stationary. And out of the car.
Oh.
Walking towards the club now. V, you're clear to head for the car. Get to it.
Are you fucking with me? I gotta go down. Hold on. Turn around. Reed, I'm already here. Where are you?
Are you in position?
Yes.
Here we are. Damn. Preem ride.
Hey, you're not there to window shop.
Hey, you're right. I'm not here to window shop.
Oh. Deja vu.
I know. Get in the trunk? I guess. Fuck it, why not, right?
Of course, cam feeds are mine.
Good. Last check now.
I'm just
Make sure
chilling
you're
in
ready
the
to roll.
trunk. I'm on some freak type timing, brother.
Brother.
They got
need to
cameras
be
in the
tough.
mirror? You see this shit?
Cams are on. Transceiver is green. She's free for the taking.
Now, we wait. Our VIPs are back. They're about to get in. Time to focus up.
Kurt Hansen, tu l'as vu, non? Il était grave en train de me relooker au saphir.
I banging her. Hey,
Bro, wait.
I already did that.
Oh,
Now I'm in her
mince,
trunk.
Putain de gueule de bois.
Perhaps
Ça
this is
tourne
fucking.
Yeah.
partout, dans tous les sens.
Right there.
You're probably not
T'en penses
gonna
quoi?
like how this mission
De
ends.
Hanson, je veux dire.
Okay, V, take control.
Oh, not this mission, but I mean like
hold
this
on, hold on,
specific
I
part of
wanna
the
use
mission.
Eavesdropping a bit. Could get interesting.
I'm a
Oh, il
little
a foutu
freak.
le feu au cul de tout le monde quand il a abattu cet avion.
When he shot down
Le
that
risque est
plane.
élevé, oui.
The risk is
Mais ce
high,
travail
yes, but
paie
the
bien.
money is worth it. We'll
On
do
fait
our
notre part.
part, then disappear.
Ensuite, on disparaît.
Oh, putain de gueule de bois de sa mère.
Suck my dick. That's
Il a
because of
fallu
me,
que tu
by the way,
fasses ça
brother.
aujourd'hui. Je t'avais dit de pas ouvrir cette dernière bouteille.
V, you copy?
We had that wild night. Okay, it's okay. I'll do it.
Chill. Just wait.
T'en penses quoi? De Hansen, je veux dire?
Je l'ai vu parler au chef
Saw
de la
him
police
talk to the
et lui
chief of
donner une
police,
petite
pat
tape
him
sur
on
la
the
joue
cheek
comme un
like a
chiot.
puppy, no complaint,
L'autre n'a
but
pas bronché.
this told-
Et il m'en fallait pas plus pour cerner le personnage. C'est un enfoiré
He's
coriace
a tough bastard,
et un
hard
homme
man.
dur.
He will survive anything
Il
they
survivra
throw
à
at him.
tout ce qu'ils lui balanceront.
Ouais, dur. Juste comme je les aime.
Ah, ouais.
Ils ont de l'endurance qui va avec.
V, you're running out of time.
All right, fine.
Okay. Back in the car now.
La voiture! Quelqu'un en a pris le contrôle!
Emmerich, sonne l'alarme! On a besoin d'aide! Je vais localiser le vecteur.
Ok, une seconde! C'est fait!
Putain, allez! J'essaie de reprendre le contrôle!
Should I have just listened all the way? I kind of wanted to listen. They probably would have got away. Reed was on my ass about that. Stop listening! Oh!
V, report what's going on.
They're playing defense. And they're good.
This is a bad spot.
J'arrive pas à la couper!
What do you want?
Brother ran us right into a fucking place of business and ran over people. They're monsters.
Putain!
My ice integrity is fucked, brother. Fuck. Ooh.
On
I
est coupé!
barely made it.
Merde! Quoi? Putain, qu'est-ce qui se passe?
We got their bitch asses.
Whoa. What in the fuck? Fuck! You wiped them!
What'd you think we'd do? Bind their hands with duct tape, shove socks in their mouths, and wait for them to wriggle free and call for help? This ain't no game, V. It's a simple choice. Them or us. I chose us.
Alex, you knew about this! This execution!
Of course I knew. Textbook move. Not exactly my first mission, V. Call like that comes with the territory.
It is a game. Your fucking spy game they weren't playing. They were innocent.
That's not quite how I describe two pro-criminals.
That's fucked. And they know it.
These innocents, as you call them, wouldn't hesitate to rob you for everything you got, or put a bullet in your back.
Buddy, I just had...
Are you any different?
Don't even ask.
Alright, we have fresh disguises already.
But yeah,
still
you would
need to
shoot
lift
me
the
in my
access
back
codes
if the
off
mayor
them. Or was the one
the
to check
mayor,
for
the
those.
president asked you. V is a liability. You have to get rid of her.
This feels so fucked up.
Expect me to believe you've never taken anything off a body before?
Calling you out.
Sure she's the one with the codes?
Definitely. Her brother transfers his memories to external databanks, and he's had these stolen before. They wouldn't risk losing these codes.
I'm so sorry.
Right, codes transferred.
Fucking monsters. They're happy with what they've done. And this is what she hacks in? Hold on. Go back? Hold up. This is what she's hacking in. Like, oh my lord. Yeah, stop admiring your handiwork, you fucking monster. Oh, I'm driving.
Taking the wheel.
Even though you should be driving. Because technically it would be your car, but we're not going to question it.
Why male V makes more sense in this one.
V, behavior imprint, now.
Because if you play male V, you're him instead. Also, I guess I was wrong about the body type thing, because I guess it can physically change your body, just not your height, I don't think. Well, you don't think it can make you any taller?
Check, check.
Oh, my
shit,
lord.
my voice. Nice.
Nice. Where's the mirror?
Hang on, that's me? What the hell?
Means the car mirror.
Dream, right? Give it a whirl. Introduce yourself.
Introduce myself. Look at us. They'll know
Don't
who
stare
we
too
are.
hard, brother. You might burn
But
fucking
you gotta
holes through the
practice.
glass.
Not that easy being somebody else. Gotta walk before you run. A cliche, I know. But just do it. Who are you?
Huh. Little miracle must do more than morph your face and voice. Gotta fuck with your hormones like a designer drug. Give you hyper-specific highs and lows to change your behavior.
Mm-hmm. Establishes a new baseline. You just gotta say the right words.
Okay, here goes. Aurore Cassel. Who the fuck is asking?
Not bad.
It can feel like a real trip at first, but you'll get used to it.
Take a sec, collect yourself, then we move. Hansen's waiting.
Alex, it just hit me. This'll be our last stop together.
Do you hear this, brother? This will be our last op together. Yeah, buddy, because we're about to get killed. All of us.
Retirement.
Thanks much, Reed.
You know, I know what he's thinking.
Okay, good.
But he thinks we're about to do this and not have any heat on us. Like, what the fuck? You ready?
Are you ready to fuck shit up?
You ready
Good.
to fix
Sound
shit
just
up?
like her.
Thank you. I love this
Sorry.
accent.
Give me
I'm
one sec.
hard.
I gotta pay.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I gotta pet. That's what I said before.
Get it together, you two.
I am. I'm got it together.